Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. You know that every time I come to you with my fresh, clean, beautiful face, is about to be a makeup tutorial. So I got a bunch of new makeup things that I haven't tried. Some of them I've had for a while, some of them I just got. I haven't tried them, so I decided that I would attempt the clean girl aesthetics makeup look. So that's what this video is going to be about. It's a clean girl aesthetics makeup tutorial. Let's go. First, my primer from Nuban Beauty. It's a it just has makeup base. Okay, it's hydrating. It's a hydrating makeup base. So let's see. It doesn't feel like a lot of the hydrating primers that I've used in the past, but the texture is not bad though. I'm not mad at it at all. Next, I'm going to go in with this Power Seal from Miss Mectics. This is something I'm supposed to control oil. I like the packaging. I don't know if you guys can see it. I like it very, very much. I'm just going to take some cotton wool and pump that into it like so, and just dab it in the center of my face, which is where I usually get oily. I'm just wondering if I should have used this thing before I used the primer. Is there a direction on it? There's no direction on it, so I just hope that I'm using it in the right order. Maybe the next time I use it, I'll use it before I apply primer. I didn't get any new foundation, so I'm going to be using two of my old ones, my MAC Studio Fix Fluid and this one from Zara. So I'm just going to be mixing the both of them. I can actually feel this thing that I've applied dry out my skin. Wow. I think that the secret to the clean girl look is to use a beauty blender. A beauty blender sort of gives that flawless skin-like makeup application, which is what the clean look is about. Just very subtle skin-like finish. That's what you should be aiming to achieve with your makeup application. So a beauty blender is the best way to go, and then you blend the product properly into your skin. Try as much as possible to apply only the amount of product that you need, so don't over apply it. You can build up as you go, but apply in stages. The first layer, blend that in. If you still need more, you do that. If not, you just move on. I think I've done a good job blending this in. It looks really, really good, just like skin. Now over to my concealer, and I'm going to be using this one. Is the newly launched Zaron 5-in-1 concealer. I got it only in this shade. I don't know if they have a darker one, but I just got it in my highlight shade. Oh, I like the wand. It's fat. Again, don't do too much. Just apply a little. You can always build up, but I don't plan to. Going in with my beauty blender again, the same one, and I'm just going to blend this out. I actually like the way this concealer blends out. It's really, really good. It doesn't feel heavy or anything, just blends out nicely. Because I don't want to look too sculptured, I'm going to skip the cream contour part and just move over to my blush. And I'll be using this one, which I just got as well from Nuban Beauty. I like the color of this thing. I just hope it fits my skin. I was hoping it would be darker though. I noticed that really dark, bronzy sort of blush fits me better. I hope that's not so much. I would have loved to blend this with my beauty blender, but I don't want to stain it, so that I'm able to use it if I need it to blend my face more. So I'm using a brush to just blend this blush in. See that color? It's beautiful. Now I'm just going to very lightly set the areas of my face that I highlighted. I don't want to bake it, just setting it. You remember we skipped cream contour, right? Now I'm just going to use this very dark powder contour and just apply that in the corners of my face. It's only with makeup that I know that I can use my two hand properly. Usually I can't use my left hand for anything. But when it comes to makeup, I try.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day.
For your eyes, you want to keep it very simple. I'll be using this same palette. I'm just going to use this one all over my lid as a primer. Then I'll use this one in the corners and this one in the inner corners. That's it.
The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
I have a new setting spray, but this one is still remaining a tiny bit, so as the Alaro that I am, please, I'm not an Alaro. This is the final look, guys. I think that I killed it, if I can say so myself. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. I'd like to know what you guys think. I'm feeling myself. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, this will be the time for you to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.